Right, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the new video to my channel. Okay, so this one I'll keep it very short. So we'll be looking. I'll just be breaking down this trade that we took with the mentorship group. So we'll just be going through it from scratch. Yes. So okay, so this I shared it on the mentorship group. Let me just show it. I'm trying by all means to keep this one very short, very like super short. Okay, so this was the setup. So this is for hour, right? So if you look at it with this 15 minutes point of interest and this 1 hour. This is 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so it's 1 hour. All right, so finally the price, it was here. You see, so we're waiting for the price here. Of course, we knew that there was a possibilities of the price reversing here at 15 minutes. Right, so we're just waiting for the price to reverse from here. So what did we do? We look for the direction of the price, right? So this was the trade. Most of the workers, they caught it, right? Then this was our entry. So we'll just be looking at this very quickly, right? Well, we were here. So I think I shared this also on here, right, Instagram. So waiting for the price to arrive at the point of interest. Then from there, look for a reaction, look for an entry, we come downside, right? Okay, so some of the things I will not be mentioning here because here I'm strictly just looking at this trade. So some of the things, like for example, what do you expect after the break of structure, what do you expect after the change of character, all of that I explained them in this video, right? In this video here. Okay, so this video, it was part 1, right? So I'm still going to do part 2. I'm not sure when, right? Well, I'll just be doing a very long video again on part 2. But maybe it's going to be the next one, but it's fine. I'll let you know. You can just keep in touch with this channel. Then this one also, it was on the trade that we took, right? So you can just subscribe and you can leave your comment if you have any question, any suggestion, or anything that you like me to share next. All right, you can leave it below these two or this current one. Right. Okay, I think we can just head straight in. Okay. Okay, so this is okay, so the link to everything, they'll just be below on this yeah, on the either pinned comment or description, right? So this is the like the website. This is not the official website, but it's what we're working with for now. Then this is a course curriculum, right? So yes, all of these are videos, right? So all of these are videos, all of this supply and demand, liquidity, then common everything. I think most of the videos also will be here because here I will not only post one. Like I keep on posting everything that we do, step by step. Right. Then of course continues this side. This is very important, these two, of course, entries, right? So you can just check the link into this. Then these are the packages that I offer for now, right? Then this one is new, this one here, right? You can go and check it out. Also, if you have any questions, right, yeah, you can just come here. These are clickable. All right, so yes, you can just go through this, then you know where to find us. Okay, let's just head straight into it. right? So I will use this one from scratch, right? Where we'll start from 1 hour. We can start from 4 hours, 1 hour. It depends on what is your higher time frame, right? Okay, what was happening? Okay, it's fine. Just do this here. Okay, so the first thing first, which is I explained in the first video, market structure, right? Market structure. Everything else is built on market structure. I would have shown you something, but yeah, it's probably going to take a bit longer. So let's just head into it. I'll probably just pause this video and just go look for that thing. All right. That just shows the importance of market structure. So what do we have there? We have a block of structure, right? After the block of structure, what do you expect? A pullback. The moment the price pulls back, what do you look for? A point of interest. So where this point of interest with 2 point of interest, then there was one here, which is I'm not going to go through. It was a 15 minutes point of interest, right? So what do you see here? You see the price reacting. So it just reacted then. So most of the time, not all the time, right? Most of the time, the price, it will come to whatever point of interest, even if the price is going to pass, just going to react a bit, then goes. So even if you took an entry here, you are not going to, most of the time, you're not going to take a loss. All right, so what will happen is either you're going to make a small win, break even, or a small loss, right? And it's very, very normal to take a loss. Right, okay, so with this one, 15 minutes, so the price came and went all the way. Also, we actually had a trade here. I remember very well. But the price didn't go all the way as we expected. Okay, the first one was here. The price didn't go all the way, it's fine, but it did pay. Right, so okay, so now we're here. Then the next thing, we are seeing the price reacting. Remember when I was showing this on Telegram, that the price is to react. Remember that this is a higher time frame point of interest. So you don't just enter the moment the price touch the point of interest. But on a smaller time frame, maybe 15 minutes. No, not 15 minutes. Okay, time is 15 minutes. The moment the price taps it, you can enter. You can be aggressive and enter. 5 minutes, the moment the price taps, you enter. But 4 hour, 1 hour, wait for the price to react. When the price comes there, wait for it to react, because this one is very big, so you may have a very, very big stop loss. Right. Okay, so what are you doing now? We're going to, okay, so we're going to 15 minutes. Is it 15 minutes? Okay, so whatever time frame it is fine. So firstly, we're seeing a break of structure. This is what now? Internal structure. Right, so we're seeing a break of structure internally. Right, then we have another break of structure. Right, so as I've said that, I think the 2 previous videos that you have to follow a step-by-step process. If you can't explain your process that you follow before taking a trade, most of the time you may do a lot of guessing. Right, you may do a lot of guessing. Okay, so the price block structure, can even actually just place it here only. It's the same thing. I don't even remember like how was the analysis for this one, but anyway, I'll be doing the same thing all over again. Right, just put it there. Okay, so now where we'll be watching of character here, because this is the low that created this high here. Right, so that will be our change of character. We have here change of character. I think we may need to drop down to a bit of smaller time frame. Let's drop it. Let's go to 5. Right, because yeah, I want to see. Yes. Okay, this one, it depends also on how big your screen is, because you see this one, it kind of shows you almost the same thing. Okay, so this was the change of character. Right, so the price, it broke this low. Right, the moment the price broke this low, there's a change of character. Now, question is, where to wait for? Like after the change of character, expect what? A pullback. The moment we are doing a pullback, what do we wait for? I mean, what do we have to say? Okay, this will be entering. We have our point of interest. Okay, I'm trying to change this here. Change of character. Right, so the moment you have a change of character, right, change of character, the one the price does is expect what a pullback. I've explained this. So you'll mark your what point of interest, and the price comes. Right, so this was our point of interest. Right, all of this here. Let me just keep this, and keep it. Yes, just want to show this clearly. Okay, so that was our point of interest. So remember that this is 1 hour point of interest. Right, so 1 hour point of interest, what you wait for a reaction of the price. Don't enter at the same time. Then this is what 15 minutes point of interest. Actually 5 minutes, both of them. Right, but you just say M15. So the moment the price comes here, you can enter same time. Don't need to wait for the price to react. This is a lower time frame. Right. So let's see. Entry. Stop loss just above the area. Okay, let's keep it probably 7 pips. Then you come all the way. You can take it if you want, you can take it until here. Right. Because it took a lot of money for the price to move this side. So when the price comes here, you might just stop. But that one, that is trade management. Because you don't want to be surprised, you enter a trade, then you see the moment, okay, actually we actually took it there also. Yeah, I remember very well, took it here. You don't want to take a trade, then the next thing you see the trade reversing, you don't know why. Some people, they just hope that the price is going to go to that direction. Hoping strategy doesn't work. Right, so we're coming all the way here, and yeah, the price didn't give us any issue, even though at times when the price gives you some issues, it actually gives you more entry opportunities. This here, there was no pullback, there was nothing. Right, so yeah, this was the trade. Right, follow the same process all over again.